Alright guys, so I got a new review here. This is a CNC, it looks like it's kind of a knockoff of the Jinmitsu, the cheaper one. And this is, it looks like maybe I got the box upside down. Alright, so here it is flipped over, and that is the number on it. Let's see if I chose wisely or not. Get some of that lovely foam. Looks like I chose wisely. Cool. So we've got a PR CNC machine. Operating instructions. The funny part on this thing, on the listing, it lists it. The picture shows it with a, I'm sorry about that, with a at least 300 watt spindle. The listing itself says 100 watt, and then when you read the details, it shows that it's a 75 watt. So it's a mystery bag. This will be the board, base board. All right. So it looks like we've got some with a USB cable, USB flash drive, and some of those crappy pointy bits. And then a box of screws to assemble it with. Dust collection. That's funny. I'm assuming this will be some stuff to engrave on. Oh, that's power supply. Ah, there's something to practice engraving with. These will probably be the front and the rear extrusion, screws, whatever. You got your hold down clamps. And C offset probe and tools. Power cable. Another piece of foam. Is that missing an end? No, oh, it's in the hole. That's interesting. Alright, so there's your left and right Y axes. And it does come with a cheesy little 75 watt motor. Drag chain, that's the word I was looking for earlier. Alright, so it comes with that attached to this end. Why it wasn't on. Alright, I'm going to have to turn this off for a second. Alright, so we moved over to the table saw, hoping to get a wide enough surface to work on this, but yeah, it's still not going to make it. So I guess we're just deal with what we got. That's pretty much all the parts. I left the spoil board over there, and some of the other little pieces, but we're gonna get going on this. I'm gonna see if I can figure out how to prop my phone up here to keep recording. Alright, so on the flash drive there is a video for how to install this. It is less than useful, so we're just gonna wing it. It doesn't look like it'll be too difficult. There's not that many parts to it. So here we go. There should be 8. I'm guessing it's these. Yep. Not with that one. So they are M5 by 20 flathead screws, or at least that's what the box says they are. And well, first of all, I gotta start with putting that on, don't I? Alright. So there is 1, 2, 3. There's 3 of them. 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so it's gonna be these guys. Alright, so it looks like you gotta put this on first. So these are flat cap bolts, 7-piece, and they're 5mm by 14. That doesn't look right. In there. All right, just like really any project, you don't want to tighten these all the way up until you've got everything kind of laid out and tightened in. Cool, we're going for it. All right, now we need the gantry. Ouch. I'm going behind all day. There's some. Okay, so the spoil board has a cutout right there, and then also has the threaded inserts. This goes up. That way you have a little bit of space, just in case you misjudge. You know, hit those with your drill bit, and then also the heads of your bolts will be done. I think I'll be done now. Okay. And one thing to remember when you're putting spoil board on, you're screwing the bolts down to the MDF, so it doesn't really take a whole lot, and you end up blowing right through it. So you want it snug, but not too snug. All right, and now since I didn't do it before, I'm going to measure it. Right on the money. That's pretty unexpected. I was figuring with it being a knockoff that I was going to be on a square. Okay. I'm going to put that. These are the M4x6. They're the rounded head ones. And looking at how, I mean, the threads on that are right up against the edge of that aluminum. So I would definitely not put too much stress on the bolt. Alright, and now it's just a game of match the wires. Z limit goes to the Z limit. Z motor goes to Z motor. X limit goes to X limit. And they even nicely color coordinate everything. And then the X motor. Those are a little excessive. And we're going to Y motor. And for a little bit of comedy here, it's Y1 motor. There's two Y motors. That's right. This one goes underneath. Look at that. And then we have Y limit. Ouch. And then there's one more screw left. Ouch. Oh, never mind, that's a spare screw. Alright. So that'll be the end of part one. Right there. Just like that. Tomorrow, I'm going to go through and try to tidy up some of these wires, because this bothers me. One nice thing about this one versus the Genmitsu, the Z probe is right down here where you connect it, and on the Genmitsu it's on the back of the gantry, so you have problems with it. Oh man. it's either in the way or you're going to unplug it and plug it back in so many times you're going to end up pulling the wires out of it. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching, guys.